Dark chocolate is made with a high percentage of cocoa solids and little to no milk. It has a deep, slightly bitter taste that comes from roasted cacao beans. This type is often closer to how chocolate was first consumed centuries ago in places like Central America. Its rich flavor and lower sugar content make it popular for both eating and cooking. Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate combines cocoa solids with milk powder or condensed milk, creating a smoother and sweeter taste. It became widely popular in Europe during the 19th century when milk was first added to chocolate recipes. Its creamy texture and mild flavor make it one of the most commonly enjoyed chocolates around the world. White chocolate. White chocolate is made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk, but it does not contain cocoa solids. Because of this, it lacks the deep brown color and strong chocolate taste. Instead, it offers a sweet, buttery flavor that is often used in desserts and decorative toppings. Ruby chocolate. Ruby chocolate is known for its natural pink color and slightly fruity taste. It is made from specially processed cocoa beans that bring out this unique flavor and color without added dyes. First introduced in recent years, it quickly gained attention for offering a new kind of chocolate experience.